Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Today's best music. Everywhere you go, there's magic. In school, your hangout places, downtown, uptown, and all around town. Everywhere, there's magic. Magic is everywhere. On air, online,
Something in my
and
throat.
on ground. We are Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9.
Yeah, man.
They're listening and watching. Sarah. Time now is 6:31 on the clock. The boys are out tonight. My name is Slick Rick.
My name is Gino Killiamore.
And my name is Tin, and someone stole our horn.
Are you
Saan?
serious?
Wala eh.
Who else goes into this booth?
Wala yung horn natin.
I feel like it might have been Kay.
The kindest person on the payroll.
Feeling ko, the
Can you check
kindest
that
person
box?
on the payroll.
Yeah, but she's not even here.
Ay, oo, she's work from home.
Oh.
And
Oh,
Wala.
no, the pig is here. The other pig.
I think she wasn't even here this morning. I was listening to. Oh, here it is.
Ayun pala, sorry, Okay,
Gusto ko yung pinagbintangan
Si
natin.
Kay.
It is what it is. Sorry, Kay.
The horn is there. But I feel like she's capable.
She's
You know, behind that
Kay.
behind that facade of nicety.
No.
No,
I think
I think she will just to mess with people.
Si Yael pa siguro.
Hindi. I don't think
Jump
she
to
would.
mess with people.
Oh, not to. Hello, she can buy a horn. You know,
She can buy a horn factory.
Exactly.
I'm pretty sure she can. She's an ASAP. You know what I mean?
Or it's one of those things where she'll take it and then all of a sudden it'll be like on some Sponge Cola song.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
And then it'll be like,
Easter
hey.
egg. Ano, she's on ASAP. Hala, of course you can pay for it. She's from Magic.
Oh, wow. Yes.
Kasi if you get 300K a month,
What more her?
what more ka real?
Oh,
Big
319.
name.
Ganun.
Anyway, hi guys. Welcome.
Welcome.
Ano ngayon?
It's
Wednesday. But we have to say thank you to our friends last night.
Yes!
Yes, we watched the premiere.
The very
Quiet
stressful
Place.
premiere of Quiet Place Day
Day
1.
Day one.
Stressful movie in a good way.
in a good way, and it's
Tata Quiet Place.
It's
It's always
sakto lang.
stressful.
it's about an hour and 45 minutes.
Of you like dying. for a
Yeah,
little bit.
they're just like
It's not ano eh. It's yung
Actually, slow-
agonizing kind of stress.
Yes.
Hindi kasi siya jump scare.
Oo, hindi,
Diba?
hindi.
It you know how like there are different kinds of horror movies. There's horror movies na parang will just
Yeah.
you know, like in your face. And then there's it messes with your head. Na parang you're anticipating
Yes.
something to happen and that's what stresses you out.
That is exactly what we felt yesterday.
Nice.
Pinaka na-stress ako doon sa pusa. May pusa.
I have so many questions about that cat.
First of all,
First of all, I think what you have to do is just hack to a spit on that thing.
But we can't say it.
basta may pusa.
Yeah, there's a lot of questions a lot of people will have about that cat.
Totoo.
Okay.
Ang dami kong tanong.
No, it's just like,
Ang dami niyong katanungan.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
hey, he's gonna be here.
Here all week.
He's here all week.
I don't think so.
I don't think I'm here all week.
We're
Probably
lucky
won't
he's
be
here today.
tomorrow.
He's here today. So let's just enjoy. Let's enjoy the moment. But I have to say, it's a really good movie. You guys have to bring a day.
Who are we thinking?
Paramount?
Paramount. Thank you, Paramount.
Thank you, Paramount. We had a great time. It was a full theater.
Yeah. And everyone was, alam mo yung,
Everyone was super quiet.
feel mo yung tenseness ng mga
Yeah.
tao.
And then the girl next to me, she's a screamer.
Oh, may tumili.
She's the screamer.
Yeah,
Lakas. Yung final scene na lang.
Parang the final scene, I already knew what was gonna happen.
Yeah, it was so obvious.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden she screamed like,
Girl, you okay?
"Kalma,
Nakailang kape ka today, sis?
jumpy, ah."
But
Jump-
solid movie.
solid, very good movie. So it's out the first, right? July 1.
Or so.
I think.
Wait.
Is it July 1?
Ako yung hindi nakapunta. Ako yung may alam ko.
No, it's because
Ikaw nag-imbita sa amin eh.
Teka lang.
But whenever it comes out, we suggest
It
Yeah.
will
check it
be out.
or maybe a week. Wait, today? Tomorrow?
June 26.
Oh, today.
Today.
Yeah, today. It is
Okay.
on
Lupita
cinemas
Nyong'o
today.
was so good in
She
this,
was
and
so
she was
good.
so beautiful.
That-
Is this still directed by John Krasinski? Or
Is
no
that
more?
He's-
directed? No.
But he's,
But he's
producing.
I'm sure he's
Producing,
up,
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And the guy there, he was the dude
A
from
story by John Krasinski.
Which guy? The
Oh,
British one?
Jimon Honsu is there.
yeah, the guy for
Joseph Quinn, Alex Wolff.
What's that?
Oh, these people.
Stranger Things, right? He was the Stranger Things guy.
Wait, which one?
Which
is it?
one?
He was the rock.
Oh yeah, yeah. See, I know.
He was the rocker
for
guy.
whom the bell
Yeah.
tolls.
He was the rocker guy.
I don't remember.
He's the
Was it the last Stranger Things season?
yeah,
Because I
the-
didn't watch that.
Munson. What's his name?
Yeah, the rock.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The guy.
Marilyn Manson.
No, the guy who was rocking out on top of the RV,
Yeah.
and then when the things were coming in, and he was just rocking
out.
on his guitar. Yeah.
So the guy,
Rocking out with his ow.
the nurse, is it the nurse?
No, not
The
the
British guy?
The British
Oh,
guy.
British guy.
And in some of the scenes, he looked like Robert Downey Jr., a younger version.
Ako
I
naman,
get it. It's the eyes.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it now.
John
yeah.
Krasinski yung nakikita ko sa kanya. Long face na, I don't know, parang may angles na, oh,
When he was doing
Sa
his
Java to?
when he was doing his magic trick, that's like, oh,
yeah,
Robert Downey Jr.
that was
And
cute.
then
Yeah, that was
Alex
nice.
That was a
Wolff.
cute one.
Who is
Yeah.
Alex Wolff?
Panoorin mo na kasi Gino.
Oh, yes. Yes.
He'll put that on his to-do list.
Did you came from the movie?
I will get there.
You missed it yesterday, Gino. We talked about wrestling.
Oh my gosh.
okay.
Everyone was wild there.
As in
like
WWE?
Classic
WWE,
wrestling.
everyone was still on it, and then a lot of people.
There's actually still a lot of people who
Totoo.
like,
Yeah.
Yeah,
really
because
love
WrestleMania
wrestling.
is a thing.
It's a two-day event.
Super Bowl levels of thing. Ano
Yeah.
yan?
But you know, I'm gonna be honest here. I stopped after DX.
Same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like
That was the
DX
same
and
era I
Stone Cold
stopped.
Austin.
Yes.
Stone
That was
Cold
the
Steve
best. How do
Austin.
you beat that? Wala.
I don't know eh.
Can't.
Mahirap eh.
May The
Hindi,
Rock
tsaka
pa
yung-
nun.
Hindi, tsaka yung, alam mo yung, even the stuff that was happening outside, like, kunwari, the Heart Foundation nga ba? Heart
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heart Foundation.
Heart Foundation. Like, what happened to them? Can you imagine? Like, di ba, it's so tragic.
happened to
Yung
them?
namatay si,
Si Owen Hart.
Owen
Hindi ko
na
siya kasama
laglag.
sa Heart Foundation.
Hindi ba siya kasama?
No, no.
Yung tag team ni
Si Bret.
Bret Hart, pinsan niya. And then
Jim-
Jim the Anvil
Anvil.
Neidhart.
Oh,
So
tas-
pangalan niya ng Neidhart.
tas
Hindi
ngayon,
siya Hart.
naging ano na siya, Bretman Rock na siya. May farm na siya sa Hawaii, gano'n.
Ang ganda ng transition.
Diba?
Tapos
No,
bus-
plus, man, the hype around, like, yun nga, mga sila Kane, Undertaker, tapos yung si Goldberg.
How about Goldberg? Yeah, Goldberg. Ang laki niya. I was telling everyone.
Malaki daw talaga siya.
Pansin ko rin. Yung classmate ko sa Zubel, siya yung nilagyan ni Bret Hart ng shades.
Wait, what?
Di ba, namimili siya ng bata lang. Yan siya. Nilagyan siya.
Wild.
Ingit na ingit lahat. Gusto siyang suntokin.
What's his name again?
Frederick Panahon, shout out.
At saka, recently, di ba The Rock actually came back to,
Yeah.
to reprise
Yes,
being
yes,
The Rock
yes.
on-
During
on WWE.
WrestleMania.
And then John Cena was there also.
May John Cena din nun.
No, wala.
Wala ba? Wala ba?
Invento.
Oh,
No. He was there. He was there.
He was there.
Ah,
See?
okay, okay.
Oh, see?
The only one that wasn't there was Stone Cold.
Stone Cold, yeah.
I think a lot of people were expecting, but then he wasn't
Is-
there.
Baka next year.
Is Triple H still there? Because
Yeah,
Is he?
he's the head.
What
Wait,
do you
hindi na
mean?
si Vince
Siya na si
McMahon?
Vince. Ang
Yeah.
daming
He's the new
controversy ni Vince
McMahon.
Yeah.
Like what? In the
Mga,
Is he
Sexual
like DD
harassment.
levels?
SA,
Oh, damn.
SA levels, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And then
Why am I not surprised? There's always
True.
something about Vince McMahon that I couldn't trust.
Yeah.
it kind of looked like he was always that sleazy guy.
Yeah.
Especially just the way he walked.
Pero nagulat ako dun na parang wala. Parang, you know, they were kind of making fun of it at first. And then like, sobrang batak niya pala.
Super
Like,
batak niya.
wrestler din siya, diba? Oh, so-
That no chance in hell era. No chance.
That
Saka
was
si
pretty cool.
ano,
And then
Stacy Keibler.
Stacy Keibler.
oh, she was so hot.
Yeah.
Right? And then the little one, the other girl, the other blonde.
Akala ko,
girl.
Si Paul
Dink?
Bearer.
No, not Dink.
The little one. He died.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You know, they used to joke that I was Paul Bearer.
Because of your eyes?
I don't know, maybe. Like,
Yeah.
basta in high school, they used to call me Paul Bearer.
Damn!
And I'm like, yeah, that's not the best thing to be called, right?
You're like, that's not, well, it is what it is.
Bear
People can be so mean.
Sino ba sila,
Especially,
Poch?
Hindi. Hindi pa kami friends ni Poch nito. Other people, like I remember they used to call me Paul Bearer.
Paul Bearer. But I used to tell my dad that he looked like $1 Million Man. So where were millions?
Wow.
Wala siyang masagot.
and she mentioned some wrestler. I had no
Oh,
idea.
Ludwig Borga.
I
What the hell is that?
He was the one who beat Tatanka. Tatanka's
Tatanka is
first
the
loss.
Japanese,
No.
diba?
No.
Tatanka was the Native American.
Native American.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
sorry.
so that was his first ever loss, and he pinned him with a finger.
With a
With a
Finger.
But I wanna kind of revisit Ultimate Warrior era of wrestling. Because
Oh, you can't because he died when he binuhat niya si Andre the
muscle.
Giant. Pumutok yung muscle niya.
Dahil nakatali.
Rest in peace.
Tapos alam mo yung, nung bata ko, paniwala ako na, oh my
Ako
God,
din.
we should never tie our muscles. Because pag sumabot,
Dahil
patay
Ultimate
tayo.
Warrior.
But then you would still tie it is because it looks bigger.
Yes,
So I remember
yes.
si
You
Hulk
take like a
Hogan.
bandana or something.
Was it Hulk Hogan na inupuan ni Yokozuna sa mukha?
Lahat sila, yun yung I was telling Slick, that was the
Weakest.
lamest finishing move.
Is
Like,
it lame though?
But he would only jump from the second rope,
Yeah.
di man ng the top rope.
But imagine somebody that big sitting on your face.
But usually he sits on their chest.
No, but
Diba?
then he's
Ano
gonna
pa niya?
land on their face eventually.
yeah.
Balls sa face.
Oh,
Puwet sa chest.
tinibag nila basically.
Ganun na nga. Okay, fine. Pretty badass
Saka si
finishing move.
Brutus the Barber
Yes,
Beefcake.
I remember. Meron siyang ginupitan. I think si Tatanka ginupitan
Meron
niya.
siyang ano, di ba, yung Garden Shears? Oo.
Tapos parang basta may ginupitan siya na parang hindi maganda sa... that's why I think it was Tatanka. Parang hindi maganda sa culture na nagupitan. So, ginupitan niya doon sa ring. Tapos everyone was like, that's wrong, Brutus. You remember Roddy Piper?
Yeah. Sino nga ba si ano? Goldust.
Goldust.
I
yeah.
love Goldust. He was so glamorous. Goldust.
And then he would freak out his opponents by trying to kiss them.
Tsaka si Ric Flair.
Rick, woo!
Woo! Yeah.
Nature Boy.
He was classic. He was like
And
the
then
real
who was
deal.
this Nation of Domination?
Yes, we are the nation of domination.
That's Farouk.
Yeah,
It's
Farouk
so-
Assad.
It's so dumb.
How about Bam Bam Bigelow?
Bam Bam Bigelow.
And his attire, the fire.
Yes. Yes.
And then he would do cartwheels, right?
he would?
Yeah.
What kind of jobs?
He,
Basta ang
Kaya niya. Yung suit niya. It's holding him in.
You know what?
Skims.
What it is about wrestling though that was always very impressive. It was always the intros more than anything. Alam mo yung like if you hear dun, dun, dun,
Yung entrance.
dun, dun,
Yep.
alam mo DX na yan.
Alam mo.
Pag narinig ka nagbabasag ng bote, alam mong si Stone
Stone Cold.
Cold yan. You know what I mean? If you hear like a tung, you know, it's
Undertaker.
Diba? Like it's
Did you ever think of what your entrance song would be if you were a wrestler?
Dun, 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 dun. Oh no! Gino, kill you more!
So scared.
Got me looking so crazy right now. Oh, he looking crazy right now.
Can you film that? Please?
Diba?
Be in a Bam
Tapos,
Bam Bigelow
Alam mo
suit?
yung medyo anong tawag doon yung may bar tapos you go under it.
Yeah. Limbo.
Nung naglilimbo ra ka papasok ng di ba parang oh shit. He means business. Here we go.
Here he comes.
The best.
Di ba ang ganda?
Yes. That. Yan.
Tapos alam mo yung on WrestleMania dadating si Jay-Z tapos sasabihin niya lang yes! Yun lang!
Parang si Dr. Dre kay Kendrick.
I see
dead people. Tapos uwi na siya.
Ganun lang oh. Si Jay-Z magkaka-TF siya sasabihin niya lang yes!
Wala mo na si Beyonce. Hindi siya invited
Hindi
dito sa
invited.
WrestleMania
Kasi
mo.
ako si Beyonce dito.
He's the Beyonce of this.
There can only be one Queen Bee.
So like, did you ever think of that?
No, I never thought about that.
Ako, Rock City. Taiga.
Why
Hindi
that?
boneless. I thought it was
Well, pwede rin yan. This was an earlier era eh. Oo, solid yan. Magka-cartwheel din ako like Bam Bam Bigelow. Tapos may caller yesterday. I think it was Anne who said, wala akong masyadong maalala sa mga actual wrestlers pero tingin ko lahat ng wrestling fans at mga magulang dyan makaka-relate dito. Yung nasisira yung mga kama ng mga bata.
Yeah. No, that's okay.
Sa stunner.
I will. You know how they say na parang what you watch heavily influences.
Oh.
Yes.
I mean, I've participated in a few fights. Pero alam mo yung,
You have?
yeah.
Suntukan?
Suntukan, no. Si Pansa Ribs. Ganun.
I thought si Panza Boys.
Oo, tapos.
Si Panzer Ribs?
Okay, so medyo war freak ako nung bata ako. So, I think I was
Okay, hindi
in...
ako gulat sa part na yun.
I think I was in 4th grade and I was born in Manila, moved to Iloilo, and then moved to Cebu. When I moved to Iloilo, they were making fun of me because I was Manileño.
Okay.
When I moved to Cebu, they were making fun of me because I was Ilonggo.
Okay.
When I moved back to Manila, they were making fun of me because I was Cebuano. You know what I mean? So there was always that. And I remember in 4th or 5th grade, and I always had that mentality of like, yo, if I let anyone F with me, like that's gonna be my life. Like people will keep
Yeah,
Fing with me.
true. Tama.
And so I got into a few fights in grade school. Like I would be chasing people with a
Oh my God.
ball pen because I wanted
With
to
a
stab
ball
them.
pen?
Yeah, because I mean it's self-defense, right?
How about ball pens, your weapon of choice?
Wala naman akong kutsilyo or anything, diba? And then I once put, because there was a guy, his name was Jack Danyo. Shout out to
Damn.
you. If
Hi,
you're-
Jack.
We're friends now.
Si Jack Daniel.
We're friends now.
Kilala niya kasi Frederick panahon.
Si Jack Danyo, maliit siya eh.
Okay.
Small, annoying child that would always call me Baboy Bading. That was double B.
What combo?
That was the combo in grade 5. And then I remember I was throwing the trash because it was a public school. So we had to clean up. So I had the trash can with me. And the trash can was maybe a little over than half of his body.
Okay.
And he was at the classroom right before
Oh my
the
God, what did you
staircase.
do?
So he was like, dumaan ako, tapos nagtatapon ako, minding my own business. He's like, baboy bading, baboy bading, baboy bading. So ginawa ko, nilagay ko yung trash can sa
Oh my God.
Over
over
him.
him. And
Damn.
he's skinny eh.
Oh.
So, kasha siya.
kasha.
Oh.
So ngayon, yung
Natrap siya.
natrap siya, yung trash can was maybe up to his thigh.
Damn!
So he
G!
couldn't move his arms, right? Tapos tinulak ko siya sa stairs.
Damn!
Tas
Gulong-gulong siya. Wow!
Nung nandun na siya sa baba ng flight, so, syempre, medyo hilo-hilo siya, nandun pa rin siya sa loob ng trash. Tumakbo ako pababa, tapos pagtatadyakan ko yung
Oh
trash can.
my God! Gino!
Wow. War free.
Oh man, and then there was this one other guy, so he was the president of our class. Very smart guy.
Oh.
And he would ride with me going home because we lived in the same area. My dad would pick me up. You know, kids, sometimes nag-away lang kami. His name's Kenneth Mandawe.
These full
Sup,
names.
Kenneth? So we got into a fight. We were in the banyo. Tapos alam mo yung nagsusuntukan na kami. Diba? Tapos marunong pala mag-karate si
Oh,
Gago.
damn. You're not informed.
Sinipa ako sa ulo. So alam mo yung boom!
Wow.
Yung meron siyang initial shock eh, na parang, yo, what the F just happened? Like, where'd that come from? And then after that, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use my weight against this
Yeah.
mother effer. So I speared him.
The Goldberg.
I sat on his chest and then I round and pounded him.
Oh my God!
But it was a draw because after he got up and then, you know, kicked me again in the face and I'm like, oh. And then after that, like, nung same afternoon yun, sumabay siya sa akin pa uwi. Yeah, tas ngayon.
hell?
Tapos nalaman-laman ko na eventually nag-PMA siya. So alam mo yung parang,
I think bati na kayo.
oh,
Tama.
tapos yung isa ko pang bully nung grade school, Philippine team ng Taekwondo.
Damn, G!
Si
You sure
Sugar-
know how to pick
Si
him.
Sugar Ray.
That's his name.
Yeah, he has a last name also, but Sugar Ray Metante. He's probably in Cebu.
Hey, Sugar Ray.
What a
If
name.
you're listening.
Naging Philippine team siya
Magic
ng Taekwondo.
Nationwide. Ba't yun yung mga
So friends
mo?
na kami. Kasi
Nag-sorry ka
kung
agad.
nag-upahan kami ngayon, malamang
Ano ka, G?
talo ako.
Kami ni Wee.
Oh.
Kami ni Wee nung bata. Sobrang like kami magkaaway.
Yeah.
Super. Tapos, at this time, our house in the south, basta nire-renovate siya. So, we were living in Green Hills.
Yeah.
So, papunta kaming school. I'd drop him off first.
Uh-huh.
Kasi, basta he studied in Marymount, which is in BF. And then I studied in Zobel. So, nag-aaway kami. Malapit na kami sa school na
As
nagkakape
siblings
na
do.
kami.
Oh.
Tapos,
Natural.
kakabili lang sa akin, bago lang, naka-Doc Martens ako na.
Honest.
Oo, naka-Doc. Hindi naman steel to, exage. Naka-Doc Martens lang ako.
Which was
Tapos,
the high ones?
Mababa lang.
Ah,
Mababa. Low cut.
ah.
Low cut. Tapos sobrang away kami. As in, nagsisipaan kami.
Damn.
Sa car.
Damn.
Tapos yung car, at that time, Papa was already doing motoring today. So, meron na kami mga test drive. So, naka-test drive kami. So, wala siyang tent. So, kita kami ng mga tao, nagsisipaan kami. Diba? Sipa kami niya. Sipa. tapos, parang pagdating ni Wee sa school, baba na siya. Ganyan. Tapos, kinagkwento niya sa akin. So, baba na siya. Pasok siya sa school. Ganyan. Medyo tigas sa school yun eh. Lumapit na sa kanyang classmate niya. Uy, Ray, nakita ko kayo ng ate mo. Ang susuntukan kayo sa
Solid. Susunod.
Grabe, suntukan kayo ate mo. Tapos dumudugo yung dito niya kasi nakabagong docs ako.
Dogs, man. Dogs are like the made for like hooligans.
Pero I
right?
kind of
Hooligan here.
Right? You're like a hooligan.
I kind of wish
the
that
high
my
one.
siblings were like that eh. Kasi my brothers, they were so nice. Like, they never got into fights and everything.
You want to suntukan with your brother? It's not fun.
Not naman suntukan. I mean, hinampas niya ako ng ukulele. Dati nasira yung ukulele, umiyak ako. Pero, it's more of like, I wish I had somebody that, because I remember my brothers and sisters are older, about 6-7 years. And then the middle child also went to the same school that I went to.
Okay.
So, he would see me during lunch break na tumatakbo. Tapos, alam mo yun kung gaano siya kalinis, gaano siya ka-poised, gaano siya ka...
Ikaw ang dungis mo.
Ako yung madungis na bata na yung brown na yung polo ko. Alam mo yung ganun. Tapos parang, I'm sure ang asim na amoy ko. Tapos yung tapos sisigaw daw siya na parang, Jin, anong ginagawa mo? Teka lang, may sasaksakin lang ako. Alam mo yung ganun.
Oh my God!
Ganun yung usapan namin. Clearly, I had anger issues.
So Zobel then. So there's this girl that people were calling, this was horrible. Do not do this, okay, children. She was a very tall girl, very tall for her batch. They called her Shaquille.
Oh, damn.
Okay. So as in like people would scream, Shaquille! Ganun sila. So,
Kids are mean.
sobra.
Okay,
Don't,
yeah.
this is horrible. Don't
Are
do
mean.
The thing is, no matter what you say, don't do it. They'll still do it.
Yeah,
They'll
totoo,
still
totoo.
do it, no matter what.
So they were shouting. So I was going back to our classroom from lunch or recess. Tapos may sumigaw ng Shaquille! Shaquille!
Oh.
So ito si Shaquille, she finally had enough.
Oh.
So she got her badminton racket and she was running up the stairs.
Oh.
So everyone was running and I was like, oh my God, bakit tayo tumatakbo? So takbo din ako. And then I was like, you know what?
Nakikitakbo.
Tapos like, di naman ako yung sumigaw ng Shaquille eh. Ba't ako tatakbo? So I started walking. And then she
Nakahabol
thought
ka
it
niya.
was me. She thought it was me. Hatawin niya ako ng racket.
Oh.
Hindi ako yun.
Hindi ako yun, Shaquille. Hindi ako yun.
Sorry, Shaquille, hindi ako yun.
I'm your Kobe.
Shaq! Don't hit me, Shaq!
I'm your penny.
I don't want the Shaq attack!
Hey, you know what? We can do this as a topic for today. Let's talk about the wildest upakans.
Okay, yeah.
Pero wag naman yun. Tipong may nagkapatay.
Wag tayo
Oh,
mga
lang.
bobo lang.
Innocent bobo.
Like the school.
Away.
Yeah.
The school aways. That's actually the fun one.
Yeah, mga ganun lang.
Have you ever fantasized about hitting someone with a steel chair? Because I have. I'm not gonna lie.
Are you
No, because I mean wrestling. Di ba parang ang sarap nung effect lang na parang PANG! Ano?
No, but then,
Di ba? Ano? Tayo!
but have you ever been in one of those rumbles and then all of a sudden like the plastic chairs start to...
Oh, yeah.
That's a scary
No,
one.
you know,
Nakatakot yun.
so we had...
Oh.
Shout out to Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. I don't think this happens now, pero before, during our batch, there were like inter-batch aways.
Okay, yeah.
Inter-batch upakan. So parang fourth year against second year and third year, first year kakampi yung fourth year. Tapos I would remember before, kasi yung uniform talaga namin, white polo, brown pants, and then leather shoes.
Okay.
Which is what differentiated us from Jose Rizal University. Because JRU was white polo, brown pants, rubber shoes.
Sneakers. Okay.
And, that made us feel elite.
Damn!
Alam mo yung parang, we're better than you.
Damn,
We have
Lourdes.
leather shoes.
We got leather.
Yun na yung claim to fame namin, okay? Na leather shoes kami, kayo rubber. Pero in today's day and age, mas uso kayo. So, on days na may school rumble, makikita mo yan naka-rubber shoes yung mga tao. Parang they let go of their Lourdesian pride.
Okay.
And then put on rubber
Ready.
shoes because it's more combat effective. Tapos may one time talaga na yung mga backpack, may kadena.
Oh my
May
God.
padlock. na
Lourdes,
nasa-
what the hell?
Tapos ako
Man.
may steel grate akong kinuha doon na in retrospect napakakadiri nun. Kasi parang, syempre
Inaapakan
sewer
mo.
yan. Parang kinuha ko yung steel grate. Yan yung
What were you
weapon ko.
thinking?
Ang lala.
100% weapon.
Tapos,
For you to think about that, that's...
no, kasi it was pretty intense eh. Yung upahan nun sa Shangri-La parking.
Ano yung pinagmumulaan?
Or sa
Ano yung source? Wala.
Like, kunwari, parang-
Nagkatinginan lang, ganun.
I got into this one fight in high school where he got mad because I was chatting with his girlfriend. And I
Damn.
didn't know that it was his
Chatting.
girlfriend.
IRC.
MIRC.
Oh.
And I'm like, hindi naman mayabang nga. Pero sabi ko, bro, hindi ko naman kasalanan na kinakausap niya ako, di ba?
Lalo na sinuntok na,
Sorry
diba?
kung mod ako dun sa chat.
Important ako.
Mod ka sa tops?
Oh,
Damn, what a flex!
So alam mo yung parang, as in yun yung mga
Ano
pinagbumulan.
pangalan mo sa tops?
Wala, Sub-Zero, Zero Boy.
What if?
Sa Evo.
Cool na cool lahat.
Evo boy.
Ito na. We have suntukan people on 861
Oh, yeah.
now, which we will answer in a bit.
Yeah, because it's just, I feel like...
Wild no, bro.
Wild eh. Ang wild na usa. But you know what's even wilder? Slick?
What is it?
2024.
You know what? I got you, brother. I see it. The weather, the vibe, back-to-back concerts, revenge travel, parties everywhere, just like Tony and Tin.
Oh, ikaw kaya.
Seems like people have gone all
Nadamay
out with
siya.
their social activities this year.
Tignan mo yung leave ni Tones, wild. 2 years. But you know, it's not just that. I think even people are becoming wilder.
Wilder how?
Okay, yesterday I was browsing through my Facebook page and I found this group where basically members, they share tons of credit, debit, and prepaid card promos and their experiences with it. So, like, for example, they get up to 50% off on dining, shopping, shopping online, travel, leisure, and a whole lot more when they use their card. So that's pretty amazing, right?
Yeah, now that's talk about great deals. We need that.
Yeah, so imagine you get big discounts just by using your credit card. And you know what? I'm just really amazed at how these people keep themselves updated with all the latest, you know, deals, perks, and card promos.
Well, I guess they're those people because they're always on the lookout for great deals.
Yeah, pero how? I mean,
Ano ba, Gino? Hindi mo pa rin alam? Paano?
alam mo, bumalik ka nga ng Greenbelt.
Bro,
How can you keep up with all the latest promos, diba?
bro, you're so out of date, bro.
How come?
Nakikinig.
I still don't know why.
I mean, you don't have the Oh My Deals app by BPI Cards, the app that shows you all the current promos for BPI Cards.
OMG, can you tell me more about this app, please?
Simple is because this app you'll be able to see BPI Cards deals and nearby promos. Now you can filter the type of card that you own by category, like dining, shopping, online deals, and others, or even by location.
I mean, how convenient is that? So I can just filter and easily browse the promos and mechanics for my BPI MasterCard, credit, debit, or prepaid card?
Exactly, brother. Plus, you can also save on your favorite deals. You can actually go back to it later.
That's amazing.
I know, right? Now, with these features, you'll stay up to date with all the latest promos of BPI Cards. Now, let me share my experience. Now, the other day, hanging out with Doc over in Greenbelt.
Oh, doon ka rin. No, andun din si Tin.
Nakita ko siya. Nakita ko si Slick.
Parating nandyan sa Greenbelt si Tin. Every day.
si Tin, she's over. Oh, nasa Louie. Si Louie girl. What's up, Louie girl?
Sa Beyond the Vines ako.
And we were craving for Japanese food.
Yeah.
And I just opened the Oh My Deals app and searched for a promo in Greenbelt, and voila, I saw the perfect spot and a good discount.
Nice. You know what? I want to have that app too.
Well, what are you waiting for? Just download the Oh My Deals app by BPI Cards now by the Apple App Store and Google Play Store.
Hey, you know what? Thanks for letting me know, man. I mean, it's a good thing that I own a BPI card. At least I can get more out of life here.
No BPI card? Well, apply now at www.bpi.com.ph or any BPI branch.
Deposits are insured by PDIC up to 500,000 pesos per depositor, regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. We got a bunch of people calling us.
Let's get it.
Hello.
Oh.
Hey,
Hey, what's up, man?
You sound violent. What's your name?
That's nice.
Jay.
Jay.
Ray J?
Ray J?
I'm like, damn. I was kidding.
J lang. JJ, sinapak tulog.
Okay.
Then,
I have a similar story kagaya nung kay Tin. So,
Okay.
Oh.
grade 6 ako noon. Then, yung batch ng kuya ko was 4th year high school. So,
Okay.
there was this guy na isa siya sa mga pinakamalalaki sa 4th year high school.
Okay.
Nasa third kami noon. Kasi nakatambay lang kami noon, third floor. Then, nasa court yung
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 guy.
4th year guy na classmate ng kuya ko.
mm.
So yung isang lukulong classmate, bigla niya sinigaw na, bunganga!
Bunganga?
Eh, yun yung, bunganga. Like, bibig.
Like mouth.
Kasi yun yung pang-asar sa kanya kasi nga, medyo wide mouth guy siya.
Okay.
Tapos out of
Damn.
nowhere,
Kids are
nag-snap
mean.
siya. As in,
Okay.
nag-snap siya.
Oh.
Inakit
Parang si
namin,
Shaquille.
walang 5 seconds nasa
Damn.
floor siya.
Oh, damn. Tinalon.
kami. Nagulat na lang kami. Ginugusto niya na yung
Oh
kasama
my
namin, classmate
God.
namin.
He
Sabi
snapped.
namin,
Oh.
he snapped talaga. As in, snap talaga. Sabi namin, patay ka, boy. Wala ka.
Patay ka, boy!
Yari ka kay bunganga.
Wala na siyang nagawa talaga. Tapos, as in, talaga kami tinitignan lang namin. Hindi na kami gumigilas. Kasi, ang laki niya eh. Grade 6 kami, 4th year siya.
So, nakakatawa na
parang-
yung kaklase mo or yung kabatch mo. Ano yung dahilan niya para sigawin yun, di ba? Na parang,
Tapos grade 6 lang kayo. Ang lakas sa loob niya.
sa loob
Kasi nga ano nga parang medyo maliit lang yung school namin. Tapos kilala mo lahat. I mean, yung chances na kilala mo sila lahat or alam mo yung mga
yung mga
bansag
pang-asar sa kanila.
pang-asar sa kanila, alam mo. So, yun. The fact na Christian school pa siya talagang
Hayop! Mukhang natuto talaga kayo ng godly ways.
Alam mo,
Dude, nice.
let's be honest
God must be
yung mga
happy.
Christian school. Catholic school din naman ako eh. Doon nangyari lahat ng upuan eh. True.
No, that is true. Even me, yeah.
All schools.
All schools, that's
It
true.
doesn't matter what it
may
is.
isa pa kaming usual na ginagawa nung, nasa high school na kami noon that time. Kapag may beef against other, kunyari classmate or batchmate mo,
Mm.
nagkukulong kami sa isang classroom, vacant classroom. Tapos 5 minutes suntukan sila.
Oh my God!
Wala nun is yung classmate namin. Well, tropa pa rin naman namin sila. Si Dong tsaka si Sunny Boy.
Si Sunny Boy.
Sunny Boy!
Oy, may Sunny Boy din kami sa batch namin.
Medyo siya, mataba siya. Tapos si Dong, talaga medyo bato-bato yung katawan.
Okay.
So,
Meron
nung
talaga mga
Bato-bato in high school.
yung gayot sila without trying.
nung nag-rumble sila, talagang yung braso ni Sunny Boy parang corned beef eh.
Yung Sunny Boy eh.
Kawawa naman si Sunny Boy.
Sunny Boy has no business fighting with a name like Sunny Boy.
So, yun lang. Sobrang gulo din namin nung high school and elementary days.
Gusto ko balikan eh.
Pero
Katahan
ito
natin.
yung question ko like majority na, I don't know if you still see them, pero friends pa ba sila? Friends sila lahat ngayon? Nagbati-bati na?
Yeah.
That's what I noticed.
Because eventually you guys just laugh about it and you just think it's stupid.
Parang ang inasa ko lang pag nagkikita-kita kami. Pre, tingnan mo, naalala mo si Dong. Ginawang corned beef yung braso mo.
So, friend mo pa ngayon si Sunny Boy?
Oo.
Kamusta na si Sunny Boy? Anong gawain niya sa
Bumatak na ba
buhay?
siya?
Batak na siya eh.
Oh, damn! Nice one, Sunny Boy!
Good
It
job.
molds you. Parang, alam mo, inupakan ako ni Dong dati sa mag-gym ako.
Gym for
Pero
life.
kasi yun ngayon yung mga trip niya ngayon, Jim. So, sabi namin, hindi ka na madadali ni Dodo.
Hindi ka na maka-corn beef.
Hindi na mga corned beef.
Shout out, Sunny Boy! Thanks, Jay!
Thanks.
Ingat ka! Bye!
That's what I love about upakan nung high school, grade school. Kasi you're
You
still
get
friends.
over it.
You
Yeah.
get over it.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hi!
Yep, Dan here.
Dan. What's up,
Yep.
Dan?
Hi, Dan.
Yeah, yung sa akin naman is about debate about
Debate?
Japanese culture.
Okay.
Okay.
Damn.
Kung yung occupation ba daw was beneficial to our country. So, nung kami sa pro, so, ang attack nung other side was the comfort women.
Okay.
Tapos biglang sinabi sa akin, paano then pag yung lola mo was one of comfort women, araw-araw din. So, nag-stop ako. So,
Damn. Wild. What a thing to say.
over the table and yun, parang ginoldberg ko rin siya.
I think the spear is the move of the night.
Kasi it covers a huge distance. Covers a huge distance.
And the thing is,
Incapacitates.
It's like a surprise attack, and you knock the win out.
Spear that mother
Exactly.
effer.
And once you spear, you hear the ooh.
You knock the
Kasi
wind out
sa
of
solar plexus yun.
And do you still remember his
Hindi,
name?
so gusto ko na yung context nito, nagde-debate sila.
From something so civilized and academic.
I can just imagine him just jump over the table.
Tapos imagine yung commentator, that's a hell of a rebuttal.
Sino nanalo sa debate?
Clearly yung kabila.
Pero yung another thing naman, yung sa isang friend na pari na ngayon, siya pa nagkasal sa amin. Sa loob kami ng
Daming
guidance
twist.
counselor, may project kami. Alam mo yung mga ginagawa ng bata na tinatapik ka tapos tutusok yung cheek
Mo.
mo.
Yeah.
Oo. Natusok yung mata ko.
Ay, damn.
Ay.
Hassle.
So, yung nagsutuka kami sa loob ng guidance
Si father
counselor.
to? Si father?
Oo, pari na siya kayo.
Tapos siya pa yung nagkasal.
I guess okay na kayo.
Naalala mo yung time
Okay
na
na, okay
natusok
na.
ko yung mata mo?
Yep. Hanggang ngayon kwento pa rin namin. So, yun lang guys. Sige.
Alright, thanks, man.
Dan.
Thanks, Dan.
Thank
At least you
you.
can say to your friends, you know what? I fought with one of Lord's soldiers.
And I won.
Laban kami ng soldier ni Lord. Hello?
Hello?
Oops, I don't think napindot.
There.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, good morning. Good evening, guys.
Pwede naman.
Evening. Pwede naman
Sir,
mo.
can you turn off your radio? We're just getting a bit of feedback.
Sorry.
Thank
Okay
you.
lang.
What's your name?
What's up, man?
Yeah, Vic.
Vic.
Hi, Vic.
Yeah, during nung third year high school,
Mm.
meron akong classmate. So, meron siyang iPad na
Oh, wow.
So,
no.
Classic.
Medyo bata-bata pa.
Oh.
May iPad na, no?
Yeah.
Nung panahon namin, Walkman.
diba, before bawal yung gadgets sa school. So, ginagamit ko yung iPad niya. And nakita ng teacher, na-confiscate. So, galit na galit siya sa akin.
Kasi ikaw yung dahilan, no?
Kanya yun
Parang 1 week na ata naka-hold yung iPad niya.
Pwede ba yun?
Yeah.
Are they allowed to hold it for that long?
Yeah, they're allowed.
Until the end of the school year.
No. Until the end of the week.
Because
Out of
we're
the
using it
week.
during classes.
Okay, yeah.
So,
Gets.
one time, yung, di ba, pag may pupunta ko yung computer,
Ay, shit!
Ay.
Oh.
Boo.
Vic Potolsky. Oh,
Oh.
I think because we
I
need to
guess
take a break.
That means we gotta take a break.
More suntukan after the break.
Stories.
899.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9. New Jeans, how sweet. Time now is 7:19. Welcome to Boys Night Out. Talking about suntukan.
Ganda ng ano, no?
Sapang
sweet.
suntukan.
Pero we do not condone violence,
But it does happen.
More of like, bata
Looking back
tayo.
at stupid days.
Yeah, marami tayong gulo.
Alam mo, pagsuntukan ako sa brother ko in a non-tinted car.
I think especially for all boys schools, honestly,
Yeah.
I feel like it's kind of, not that I'm saying that it should be, but I feel like it's kind of like a rite of passage na parang it really does happen. And sometimes you don't even know what you're fighting for. Like literal, may nasalihan na ako na upakan na parang, sino ba kaaway natin? Pero alam mo yun, nakikisali ka lang.
So you're just there like,
Hindi kasi, alam mo
throwing
yun,
down.
syempre homies mo yun eh, diba? Tapos parang if your homie tells you like, yo, we gotta do something.
We ride at dawn.
We ride at dawn. You know, we bad boys. We ride together. We don't die together, but you know.
Ride lang.
We ride lang. So it does happen. So we got a bunch of calls earlier on.
But you've never shared.
Iba kasi yung
Have you
upakan sa
ever?
States feeling ko, tsaka yung kalaban ninyo, interracial.
yeah, like, medyo it's different.
Like yung,
It's
yung sa inyo si Shaquille joke. Sa kanila totoo.
Si siya talaga.
Si Shaq talaga. No. It is because we were a school that was mixed. So we had white people, we had African Americans, we
You
had
had gangs, remember?
we had
They had actual
we had gangs.
Wait, how old were you
we-
when you moved here?
College na.
College na. So naubutan mo high school gangs.
Oh, high school gang. So
nakakatakot.
so this is probably one of the scarier ones, is because like in California you don't mess with like the Vietnamese gangs.
Really?
Why them?
They're crazy.
Well, okay. For context, the Vietnamese won the war against the US. One of the most
Why you?
prominent military powers in the world, tinalo nila. So parang
Okay,
maybe it's
fine,
right
fine,
that
fine.
you don't mess with them,
Fine,
no?
fine.
No, but they were serious.
Motherfuckers.
They were serious. So this one time I was standing in line, and then there was like a white kid in front of me. So I was like, okay, we're gonna buy lunch.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, I just felt that there were a little bit too many people around this line. So,
What's going on here?
so what I did, I held my buddy tight. I was like, they're gonna rob me.
They're gonna take my money. Nobody's getting my lunch money.
I need my money for my bean burrito. This is what I've been waiting for. So,
This is the only thing I look forward to.
so all of a sudden, the Vietnamese kids, they jumped on this white kid.
Oh my God.
And they beat the crap out of him.
Damn.
To steal his lunch money or
No.
just for
They
shits
They had
and
beef,
giggles?
long-standing
they
beef.
had some beef with him. With the Vietnamese guy.
Yeah.
So they were beating. Bah, 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 bah.
Wap, 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 wap,
And then they were like, wah,
Here we
wah,
go
wah,
again.
wah. And he turned to me. I was like, oh my God.
I'm Asian! I'm Asian!
Anong gagawin ko? Ano gusto mong gawin ko, bro?
My money! Still holding my money.
Ho Chi Minh is king!
It's like, why didn't you like run away or walk
No,
away?
It's because it
Sometimes
just
you freeze na eh, and then sometimes biglaan.
Yeah,
no?
it's because it freaked me out. Is because I always heard about how crazy they were. I'd always hang out with like the white kids, the African American kids. So they were pretty. They can get crazy, but not like Vietnamese
Not as crazy as yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh, I'm seeing it. And then I was like, so the guy turned to me. I was like, oh. He's like, hey. I was like, I'm in your PE class.
Southeast Asia! Southeast Asia!
I said, hey, I'm in your PE class.
You cool.
And then he started beating the guy.
You really said that?
Yeah. And when I did, I walked away.
Wait, friend mo ba tong white boy? Hindi.
No.
Okay.
Some random guy.
Akala ko yung white boy yung tumingin sa'yo like, help me.
I'm like, no!
Bahala ka dyan.
Egg roll!
What?
And then
Damn.
and then what happened was, so the security came, security ran in. Once the security ran in, all the Vietnamese kids, they ran away. And no one would say anyone that, okay, they did.
Nobody was snitching.
No, there's no
no
snitch.
snitches.
And everyone
Snitches.
just go on the white guy. He's like on the ground. He's like,
Wow.
as in like his shirt was ripped
Yeah.
and he was all bloody. So no one said anything. And it was PE the next day.
Classmate mo.
So the PE.
I know what you did, bro.
we were playing baseball. So it was the other team on the field. So it was our turn to bat. So I sat down on the bleacher. And I was sitting down on the bleacher. I was like, oh, here he comes.
No.
Your
Is he gonna-
Vietnamese friend.
Is he gonna make sure that nobody talks?
And he's holding a bat.
No witnesses.
It's like, so this is how I go.
This is it.
and he puts the bat down
Yeah.
on the steel bleacher.
Yeah.
He's like, boom, and then he sits down next to me.
Oh my God.
And
Sick.
he looks at me.
Oh.
He's like, saw me yesterday, yeah? Yeah. And I was like, nothing. Didn't see anything.
What?
Damn.
Oh.
Solid slick, solid.
And then he goes, no, don't worry. You're cool with the Vietnamese. But you know why? He goes, you're cool with the Vietnamese guy. I was like, oh, that's nice. That's cool. That's nice. Thanks, guys.
No.
And he's like, because you look like our dead homie.
Holy crap!
I was like, damn. I think
This guy's been through a lot.
is he gonna tell me something? He's like, yeah, when we saw you, you look like our dead homie, so you cool. So that's why I kind of stared at you. I thought it wasn't him.
I thought our homie was watching out for us.
Oh my God.
Iba yung
What a
away.
story.
Iba yung away ng US eh.
US is different. It is because it really gets like super gang.
Even mga girls fighting, I'd see it viral on X.
Oh no, they really
Ayan, wild.
they really get to it, and also the crazy ones. The guys, the Vietnamese guys are crazy. The girls are crazier.
Damn.
Vietnamese girl?
Not
Yeah,
surprised.
it is because they got in a fight with a Filipino girl because she's making London to
Oh,
one of the
damn.
Tapos habang
Vietnamese.
nag-uupakan sila, kumakanta sila, I still believe.
And then all of a sudden, this girl, she like ripped the Filipino girl's hair, and then what she was trying to do is like she was trying to undress her,
Oh,
Oh
damn.
my God.
and I was like, oh.
You're bad.
Like, I'm terrified, but at the same time, strangely aroused.
You can see all the football guys because it was a Friday. So all the football guys, there's
kids are
there's
dumb.
game that night. So all the football guys, they made a circle around
Damn.
the mic so that no one could get in.
Mahubaran talaga si sis.
Ayop na yan.
It was just wild, but yeah, there.
Let's find out what this person has to say.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Who's this?
This is Ella.
Hi, Ella. Go kwento.
Ella, may inupahan ka ba?
Ay, wait, Ella, can you turn off your radio first?
Yeah, I turn it off.
Okay.
Thank you.
Please, go ahead.
Well, actually, my case naman, well, back when I was in high school, I'm within the group of gangsters talaga.
Okay.
Wala talagang grupo. I mean, since ako transfer ako from city going to province,
Okay.
so syempre naghahanap ako ng someone na group na medyo, I mean,
Mapoprotektahan ka. Parang ganun.
yeah.
Like, what's like a prison?
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
We're like a yeah. Okay.
And then, one time, this trams namin, kasi usually, di ba, pag intrams, magulo, and then, actually, sa clubhouse kami, may mga subdivisions kasi dito sa Cavite na, within the subdivisions, there are a lot of schools,
Okay.
Yeah.
no? And then, one time, ang area namin is a clubhouse, and then malaki yung gym and all.
Okay.
And then, nagkaroon ng riot.
Okay.
And riot in a way na, within, may katabi kaming school na parang nagkaasaran lang and may mga parang
So, inter-school
involved na
away.
girls.
Ganon.
Mm.
Oo, mga involved na girls na may pinopormahan. Si ganito, ganyan. And then, ayun, nagkaroon ng away.
Mm.
And then, sabi ko sa kanila, sige ako bahala. Kapag may nagsali na girls, sa may bahala doon. And then, I usually wear, apart from my bra, I usually wear sando pa. Para if ever. Kasi I know that
Para pag
girls
napunit
try-
yung sando, may
Ah.
bra pa.
May
Oo,
backup.
may sando ko. Sorry.
Oo.
Parang gano'n. And then, wala namang humalo na girls. Pero, syempre, yung time na yon nagkaroon ng barangay and then may mga patrol. And then,
Damn.
just so happen na yung mga kasama ko nakatakbo, ako nasama ako sa barangay.
Oh, shit. How old were you?
I was third year high school
Oh
that
my
time. So may
Mga 15?
mga 15, 14,
15, 14.
gano'n.
Yari ka sa nanay mo.
Oo, pagdating ko may sampal.
Actually, doon ako mas natatakot
Yung
dati.
pag-uwi mo,
yung,
malaman
kasi
ng parents
yung
mo.
away ng, kunwari, pag-away ka sa batchmate mo or sa schoolmate mo or whatever, okay lang eh. Kasi parang panandalian lang yung sakit eh.
True.
Mahirap yung pag-uwi mo ng bahay, doon ka mapapagalitan eh.
Tapos mag-ground ka
Yeah.
pa.
Oo, kasi pinatawag yung mga parents, even the school directors will get involved na din kasi may mga bloods and all. Medyo malaki kasi parang yung
May dugo.
friend ko is one of the, parang malaki yung family niya sa Cavite. So, from
Okay.
different barangay, may mga pinsan siya. O tawagin mo si uncle na ganyan. So, it's very, very, may mga bloods and all. Pero wala namang masyadong So, yun, they have to call the barangay and then, ako yung isa sa mga nadampot. Pero mga 5 lang kami out of like mga 15, nakatakbo sila.
At least masabi mo na, di ba? Nadampot ako eh.
Oh, diba?
Oo.
That's a badass.
Napabarangay ka na ba? Yes.
Tapos you're in their little barangay patrol.
Diba? Tsaka pag nagiinuman kayo, never have I ever
Oh.
been brought to the
Binarangay.
barangay. Oo, diba? Inom sila lahat, ikaw hindi. But hey, thank you for
Thank
sharing.
you for the call.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 863-10-899.
Iba rin yung out for me parang it's easier to deal with boy fights. Because boy fights, you just, suntukan lang. Tapos after friends na kayo. What I
Girl
noticed with
fights.
girl fights, at least for the people in my batch,
Grudgies.
yung literal grade school pa sila nag-away.
Yeah,
Hanggang
that's
ngayon
true.
magkagalit pa rin
Oo,
sila.
totoo
Medyo
yun.
wild
Totoo
eh.
yun.
Yeah.
Girls are a different breed. That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
They really just keep that within.
We're simple kasi. We're like,
Yeah.
me, want to beat you up. You know?
and then one punch,
Me,
punch.
once punch your face.
Me, what, wap, 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 wap.
and once we finish punching, let's eat. Let's drink. Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Who's this?
Ito naman high school days.
Okay.
Ito, Montunog
during
Basagulero.
intram
to.
Yeah, you sound basagulero. I agree.
You sound like the
Intrams
starter.
then Catholic school din.
Oh, no.
So, basketball,
Nako.
suntukan, binan ako ngayon sa lahat ng
Damn.
contact sport.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
You sound scary.
Wait, question.
Lipat lang ako.
Medyo star player ka ba nito?
Hindi pa nga sir kaya lang talagang siyempre yung kabataan natin talagang
Intense.
kulit talaga eh. Nasa sa Catholic school hati eh.
Okay.
Mabait, saka talagang extreme na
True.
Coops
na
talaga.
makukulit
Oh.
din eh. Doon tayo napunta. Itinapon ako ngayon sa dance troupe. Yun yung
This is a movie.
Michael Jackson beat it. Alam mo ba? Oh, imbis mong suntukan tayo, mag-dance off na lang tayo.
May nakakatuwa. Nag-champion naman.
And now he's one of the all-stars.
Ngayon masasabi mo na yung, I'm not a fighter. I'm a dancer.
Give me a beat.
Ano yung sinayaw niyo
Dumadance ba?
nung nag-champion?
Hindi ko na, remix siya eh. Pero that's grade 5 yun eh. Parang may Michael Jackson, something eh.
Okay to.
Pulit-pulit pa yung mga damit.
Solid.
mga
Redemption
ganun.
arc.
Oh, good
Redemption
job.
arc.
Ito parang pang step up. Alam mo yung gano'n? Yung mga
To the
parang,
streets.
Yo,
Ay, yung
Step up
yung
from
Marian
the
Brothers,
streets.
Parang ganun ang
I was a
dating.
gangster before. You know?
But now I'm a
I'm a
dancer.
dancer. Now I'm dancing for my life.
Tapos yung dancing mo, tinuloy mo, hindi na.
Hindi na. Pero nung nag-college, napunta pa rin sa parang pep squad din. Pero hindi na rin tinuloy talaga. Lista lang naman tayo.
Solid.
Pero it's
That's
funny
a
that you
story.
mentioned that because, back in the day, like, ang mga tribal era, tribal wars and whatever. But that's what they said, na parang if you're a good dancer, you're a good fighter.
Yes.
Because of the movement.
Yeah. Yung
So,
footwork mo.
It kind of makes sense na parang kung palaway ka, medyo marunong ka rin umaway.
Hey, but thank
Kaya
you, man.
Medyo ano ka rin may agility ka rin.
True.
Pag sinugod ka na ng dalawa, tatlo.
Iwas.
Ang ganda. Thank you for
Thanks,
sharing
man.
that.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Ganda.
Ingat, sir.
Diba? Ang ganda ng redemption arc eh.
Dancer siya.
I never saw. Dancer.
At di ko rin alam na doon mapupunta yun.
Ang ganda nung, tinanggal ako sa lahat ng contact sports tapos nilagay ako sa dance troupe.
Tapos nag-champion.
Champion kami. Hello?
Hello? Hi.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah,
Oh,
yes.
Boys Night Out.
Yes, what's up, man?
Yeah. Boys night out.
Yeah.
Ron here.
Ron.
Sup, Ron?
So, college days, suntukan ng mga tropa. Sige.
Okay.
Bali, yung isang tropa ko, nagka-initan sila sa ROTC doon.
Okay.
Then, nakita sila Lunes, suntukan sila sa parking.
Okay.
Ang pinaka nakakatuwa, dahil wala pang cellphone noon, di basag yung mukha nung nung kalaban niya.
Oh.
Sa tindahan, merong landline.
Okay.
Ang unang ginawa nun, tumawag siya ng tropa niya.
Okay.
Talagang hilong-hilo na siya, pero nalaman pa rin niya yung number ng tropa niya.
Kasi memory lang talaga dati yung nagdadala eh, no?
Dinuro niya, sanyantay mo ako dyan. Siraan ka na.
Wait ka lang dyan, ha?
Siya ka lang.
Will
Tapos dahil talaga siya ng na number. Sinasa yung phone. Phone, tapos dahil siya na number.
Oh.
And actually, may nakausap sa tropa niya. Hindi na namin alam yung nangyari. Nakagratis naman kami pare-parehat. So,
Ganda, wait. Dumating ba yung tropa na tinawagan niya?
ano na?
Dumating ba yung tropa na tinawagan niya? Or
Actually, dumating yung tropa ang tinawagan niya.
Oh.
Pero sobrang late na, hours.
Hours?
Yun nga.
yung mga tipo pagdating ng tropa, pati na kayo. Bro, okay na. Goods na kami, nagbilyar na kami.
Tahi na yung sugat ko.
Parang he was ready to fight.
Kaya, ang nakakatuwa lang kasi doon yung talang, alam mo ba, pag nagsutuwang kayo, basag na yung mukha mo,
Oh.
hilong-hilong ka na.
Oh.
Wala ka naman tatandaan. Pero natandaan niyo yung...
Yung number.
Oo, medyo solid.
Oh.
Tsaka tatakbata yan. First of all, tatakbata. Yung nagsapagsapaka ka pa. Tsaka isa pang tatakbata, yung minememorize mo yung mga number ng tropa mo.
As in, okay.
But now you
Legit,
do.
Wala na akong maalala.
Yung college best friend ko, till now, alam ko pa yung number niya.
Damn!
Pero wala na yung number na yun. Kasi syempre naka-postpaid na siya ngayon. Pero yung prepaid number niya, naalala ko pa rin hanggang
Yung
ngayon.
first prepaid number ko, naalala ko pa.
Diba?
Yung
Hindi, pero
prepaid
yun
ko.
kasi
Oh,
that's your number.
Yeah.
Ito like
True.
literal number niya hanggang ngayon naalala ko pa rin.
But do you know like Pau's number?
What? You really should.
Sobrang hurt
You should.
You really should.
No, you should.
I keep saying na, okay, I'm gonna memorize it today.
No, you
Make it
should.
a
I
point,
know. I
eh.
should.
Quiz
Quiz me tomorrow.
Baka mamaya mag-upaan kayo.
Ma-wap.
Pop ka. Tapos,
All right, quick break.
Oh yes, let's take a break.
And be back with more of Suntukan.
and our guest.
Yes.
So-
And thank you.
Boys Night Out. Today's best music.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9. Russell. Lady. Always a good one. Welcome back to Boys Night Out. Time now is 7:42.
What? Ang bilis!
Yes. And we
Time
do.
flies when you're talking about upakan.
Oh, exactly.
Suntukan. Tito Alex Calleja will call.
Okay.
Wait lang, Tito Alex.
Wait lang. Because we have a guest. We have.
Unless gusto niya rin sumali dito sa conversation.
Pwede.
I wouldn't be surprised kung
No.
gusto niya rin.
It's true.
He
It
wants
is, of
to.
course, Alex Calleja.
From Viva Max.
Yes!
We have Marianne.
Marian.
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 Hi, Marian.
Welcome.
Saint po.
Oh,
Saint.
Marianne Saint.
Wow.
Saint!
Wow, social. But welcome to the show. You can put the headsets on if you
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to hear yourself. Yeah. And
May sound wala?
May sound.
Like,
Wala po.
nakasang ko.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ayusin ng tech namin si Tin.
Putek.
Anak ng Putek.
Can you hear yourself now?
Apo.
Okay, there you
Hi,
go.
Marian.
Hello po.
Okay, tell us all about...
You have a brand new movie?
you have a brand new movie coming out.
What's the title?
What's the title?
Top 1 po.
Top 1.
Mm-mm.
Okay, bakit top 1?
Kasi po, it's rivalry po siya ng dalawang estudyante po na gusto pong on top po, maging top 1.
Oh,
Ah, oy, suntukan ba to?
may ibang sunto ka yan.
Sampalan po.
Oh! Pasok Pasok pala sa topic.
Okay, so who else is in the movie with you?
Together with Christy Imperial po, she played as, Azzy. And then, si Armani Hector po. Siya po si Dexter Morabe.
Ah, okay.
Taulava.
Sino?
Isang asi daw tawag ako.
Iba. May pa-joke to.
medyo nakaka-thunders.
And who do you play?
Ako po si Misha po.
Misha.
Ang girlfriend po doon ni Dex.
So si Dex, yung nakikipaglaban for top 1?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I thought ikaw. Pagtapuan.
So si Azzy at si Dex yung naglalabanan sa top 1.
Naglalabanan po sila.
Tapos ikaw, girlfriend. Nako, parang feeling ko, alam
Ako po
ko
yung
yan.
parang malandi sa
Ay!
doon.
So,
Yun lang.
so in real life, are you like that?
Hindi po.
Ah.
Yun po, dun po ako medyo nag-struggle po kasi medyo tactless po kasi yung role ni Misha po. Tas medyo nag-workout po talaga ako sa pagka-soft-spoken ko po kasi medyo kailangan mo talaga yung mo po sa the way you talk, sa yung diction mo po, yung sa tone mo po. Kailangan mo po talaga kasi yun po lagi yung first day of shooting namin lagi po akong napapagalitan.
Sampulan mo nga kami ng Misha.
Pwede ba
Sampulan mo kami ng
Pwede
Misha.
ba natin i-try na parang...
Parang you're so soft-spoken now.
Wala tayong masyadong internalization, no? Pero while we're here, try lang natin na kunwari kausap namin si Misha. Ano yung
Internalize mo
difference-
muna, okay.
Ano yung
Misha,
difference between Marian and Misha? Sa bagay, hindi naman tayo nagbabayad ng talent fee. Mahirap na. Pag
like-
di-demand tayo, wala naman tayong pambayad. Diba? Mahirap na.
She's like, no.
Oo.
Wait lang. Kasi medyo na po talaga ako. Tsaka po, actually it's my first movie po kasi.
Oh, wow! Congratulations!
And how does it feel this is your first movie?
Okay lang po.
Okay naman,
Steady
steady lang. Pero wait, okay. So, kunwari yan, ano yung, paano mo nilagay yung sarili mo sa posisyon ni Misha na yun nga, na
Medyo opposite sa'yo.
matapang ka, opposite of who you are. Ano yung, paano mo inaral? Like, meron ka bang,
Peg.
may tinandaan ka ba na kaklase mo dati na ganyan? Or,
Wala naman po so far. Direct Temi helped me out talaga
Okay.
po na parang ginaid niya po talaga ako. Every ginagaya ko po kung ano yung gagawin niya. Dapat ganito ka, dapat
Okay.
ganyan ka. Hindi ka dapat kasi yun nga po, kailangan in character ko po talaga. Kasi yun nga po, nung first day of shooting po, lagi po akong napapagalitan. Sabi niya, hindi yan ikaw. Si Misha ka. Kailangan mo
kailangan kalimutan mo kung sino ka.
Opo. Tapos pinupush niya po ako kung sabi niya, hindi, may kaya ka pang gawin. Kaya mo pang gawin yan. I-ano mo talaga, parang ganun po. So, ayun, lang din po ako. Tapos every pagkatapos po ng scene ko po, balik naman po.
Balik na naman. Pero
Tapos reset.
na-enjoy mo ba? Kasi I mean, obviously, like, not everybody gets the chance to play somebody that they're not. No? Kunwari, parang gustuin ko maging coops na tao. Mabait talaga ako eh. Alam mo yun? So parang gusto ko talaga maging coops pero hindi ko magawa. Ikaw, kaya mong gawin. Kasi diba
Sige.
parts na
Actually po, hindi naman po talaga kupal.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Sorry po.
Okay lang.
Hindi ko alam ba't ako na-shock.
Sorry po.
Parang nasaniba ka ni Misha.
Yan si Misha.
Yan ang Misha.
Naglalaban po sa sarili niya. Actually po, ang po kasi, bali ako po yung mag-encourage po kay Dex na
Talunin tong si ano.
ligawan niya po si Azzy. Opo. Para ma-distract niya po kasi
Ano kayo dito? High school or college?
senior high po.
Senior high.
Kasi
Seems
parehas
like
po
high school
talaga.
things.
Apo. Parehas po talaga silang nag-excel po sa academically po.
So ang ginagawa mo dito, parang, uy Dex, ligawan mo tong si ano, si
Apo.
Tapos,
si Pablo.
kasi nga po,
Guloy
di ba
mo
ito
yung buhay niya.
mag-backfire sa'yo?
Feeling ko mag-backfire.
Oo,
to.
feeling ko din.
But we have to see the trailer.
Yeah, sige.
Okay,
sige.
sige.
Okay,
Paano natin
so-
yung trailer para
Let's
Top
see the
1.
trailer. So, direct.
never natin na-experience sa buhay natin. No?
Top 1 ever. Para siyang rated R na she's all that.
Oo, medyo ganun. Oo nga, no?
Parang the Viva Max version.
Ayos.
Ganda.
Solid!
Yeah.
Oo, yung idea na na ang ganda lang na parang Obviously, this is a fantasy of what high school is.
Okay.
Because my high school is very different. First off,
walang babae.
we were all boys. So,
Tapos you didn't take off your shirt like that.
tsaka yung labanan, hindi top 1 pababaan. Ano, mas bobo ko sa'yo.
Solid. Congratulations on your first movie. You would be so
Congratulations.
excited. Paano ka na-discover?
Actually po, it's very far from my profession po kasi. Tapos, that time po, sasali po sana akong pageant po.
Okay.
Kasama ko po that time is yung handler ko po sa pageantry po. Then, kasama din po pala yung naging manager ko po sa Viva po ngayon. Sabi niya, gusto mo pong artista? And that time po, parang sabi ko, nga no, bakit hindi? Kasi parang, yun nga po, 12 hours po ako on duty po. Tapos, I feel like I'm not well compensated. And at the same time po, parang I feel like I'm not growing po. Kasi nga, paulit-ulit na lang po yung work ko 6 to 6, 6 a.m. gigising ako. Tapos, 6 p.m. out ako, kakain, matutulog.
So, ano yung work mo? Ano yung totoo mong work?
Pharmacist po ako.
Pharmacist!
Okay.
Oh my God!
Okay,
Sakto, nandito ka pares.
Pariseta naman.
Okay.
Yung muscles ko kailangan ma-relax.
Papatulog lang. Papatulog.
Kailangan ko palamigin yung ulo ko.
Galit ako.
Pharmacist to Viva Max girl. That's so cool indeed.
So what did your family say na parang obviously change of direction?
Medyo malalang change of direction.
Hindi po nila siya.
Malalaman na nila ngayon, girl.
Opo, pero po, actually, ang hindi lang po ang wala lang pong alam is yung lola ko po. Opo. Baka maano ako.
Okay na, wag mo na sabihin.
Baka i-disown ako bigla.
Gulatin mo na lang ng pizza.
Siguro mo wala siyang Viva Max app sa phone.
Wala na yun.
Huwag sabihin kay Lola.
Lola, look at this. But si Direk is asking, what's your Instagram?
Oh, si Direk is asking.
It's _Marian Saint po.
Yeah.
_Marian Saint.
Alam mo na ha, Alvin?
There.
Hindi kasi ilalagay niya yun sa,
Okay.
sa visual. Grabe naman.
Kailangan. See, is because it had her name. Tapos IG was
True.
blank.
Tama.
Yeah.
_Marian Saint.
And where did you film this? Where did you film the movie?
Sa sa Arellano University po. Tapos
okay.
sa Santa Mesa po, yung sa bahay.
How long was this shoot?
Mabilis na po, 2 days.
2
Yung
days.
buong movie?
Movie,
Oh my gosh!
Po kasi whole day.
Damn! So paguran, super paguran.
So hindi 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 a.m. to 6 a.m.
2 days after.
Pero, okay.
Well, compensated
I
naman.
must ask, because I mean, obviously, like, you're playing a very different character from who you are here in real life. What was your high school experience like?
I'm one of the boys po lagi.
Okay.
So, ayun po, pagkatapos po ng school, punta po kaming com shop.
Hindi na siguro Counter-Strike na.
Magdodota.
Ayun!
Appear!
Nagdodota ka pa ba ngayon?
Go, Dota!
Magko-crossfire.
Chin na chin! after the work,
Same tayo. Diretso ko, Dota!
after work, she tells us, guys, Dota muna tayo. Let's go.
Pero nag-transition na ako to Valorant. Try mo, maganda siya.
COD naman po ako ngayon.
Okay din yun. Gusto ko din yun.
Mobile or...
Huwag ka maniniwala. Wala ka naman.
Warzone.
Ganda. Okay, yeah.
Posers!
Good job.
Ako yung actual nagdodota at nagbabalorant dito.
But do you have any siblings?
Puro po kasi lalaki po yung kapatid
Kaya
ko.
one of the boys
Kaya
kasi.
nasanay po ako na yung surroundings ko po is laging lalaki. Kaya parang siguro po kasi comfortable po ako pag ganun po. Tapos ever since elementary po talaga lalaki na po kasi talaga yung nakakasama ko po. Kasi kahit pinsan ko po mga lalaki po.
Alam mo ako din, ingat ka. Baka maging ako ikaw. Hindi ko magandang peg.
I wanted to ask, because you've always been one of the boys, mas madali ba sa'yo makipag-relationship with a guy knowing na one of the boys ka, you're easy to get along. I mean, you kind of know how
Chill ka.
the mind of men works, diba?
Since surrounded by guys.
Do you
since
feel
bata
na
ka pa.
parang advantage sa sa'yo na one of the boys ka? Or hindrance ba siya na parang friends tayo parate? Ganun.
Tropa.
Honestly po, hindi ko po masyadong alam. Kasi isang beses lang po ako
Nagka-boyfriend.
Nagka-boyfriend po.
Okay.
How long ago was that?
3 years.
3 years. 3 years ka na single.
Apo.
And how long?
Heartbroken ka pa ba?
How long was that? How long was that relationship?
Lang po.
Months lang. Or years?
Isang taon po.
Matagal na rin.
Matagal din.
So, okay. Since nandito ka na rin, and usually tinatanong din naman namin to, no? Since sabi mo, 3 years ka na single. Ano yung hinahanap mo?
Ako po, siguro po, personality-wise po, siguro po, mahilig po ako sa matalinong lalaki.
Ay, wala kang makikita
Yes.
niya.
Wala dito.
Buti na lang ka.
Huwag ka maghanap dito sa Magic. Wala kang mapapala.
Walang
Ano?
pag-asa
Hindi kasi
dito.
diba there are different kinds of intelligence. Diba? Like, merong matalino sa
Book
school.
smart,
Apo.
street smart.
Merong matalino sa streets. Diba?
Apo.
So, ano yung mas type mo? Like, kailangan ba parang...
Sapiosexual po ako. Parang
okay. So, dapat...
You fall in love with someone's brain.
Dapat ba
with their mind.
PhD level? Ganon?
Apo.
Or basta may yung may katuturan kausap na, alam mo
Apo,
yun.
may sense po kausap na parang yung pinag-uusapan namin.
Nasi-stimulate ka.
Opo.
So having so many boys around you, especially like your siblings, your cousins, are they very protective of you?
Opo, most especially po yung kapatid ko pong sunod po sa akin na parang
Younger sa'yo?
Opo, younger. Ako po yung eldest.
Okay.
So, ito, alam na ba nila na may movie ka? Sila?
Hindi po.
Hindi rin.
Hindi pa nila alam.
Binlock ko po sila.
Oh my gosh.
Alam mo.
Friend po kami sa isang Facebook ko po na pang pamilya.
Wait.
Hindi, kasi
Ito lang.
he probably has friends.
This is the worst secret to keep.
Ito yung sasabihin ko lang sa'yo, kung mga kakapatid mo lalaki, 11 million subscribers na.
Actually po feeling ko po alam na po nila kasi parang nahiya lang po siguro sila sa
ayaw
sa
na nila
akin.
Do you still live with your family?
No po.
Bumukod ka na?
I'm from Davao po kasi.
So they're in Davao.
Apo.
Okay.
And then, so here, you're alone lang or with your manager,
Hindi
friends,
po.
cousins?
I'm with my mom po. Tapos, ayun, dun po kasi yung mga kapatid ko po sa lola ko po.
How long ka na dito sa Manila?
Ever since po. Apo, dito din po galing mga kapatid ko. Tapos pumunta lang po
Okay. Gets.
Okay, so what do you do in your free time?
Ako po, nagbabasa po ako ng libro.
Oh!
Just like Tin.
Dota books.
Opo.
Solid. Same. Okay. What kind of books are you into? Anong genre?
Ngayon po, yung binabasa ko pong libro, puro po about sa money.
Mga self-help. Okay.
Mga money at tas yung sa emotions po. Kasi yun nga po kasi may nakakasalamuhan na po ako ng iba't ibang tao po. Yun po. So parang inaano ko po, siguro ngayon po, mas naging sensitive po ako towards sa pakikipag-ano ko po sa tao.
Pag-interact mo sa kanila.
Pag-interact ako po sa tao. Kasi yun nga po, hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung effect po sa kanila. Tapos madami din pong nag-approach po sa akin na yung mga picture po. Yun
Sila sa labas. Mga boys mo sa labas.
And how do you take that? Picture, okay lang?
Okay lang po, no problem.
Natutuwa ka pa ngayon? Excited ka pa?
Eventually, abot sa point.
Pero may susumbong ako sa'yo. Alam mo yung mga yan, usually, pag may pumupunta ditong Viva Max, may dinadala nilang donut. Bakit wala kang donut?
Actually po, kilala ko po yan si
Sino? Bakit wala kang donut, ha?
Kilala ko po yan sila.
Kilala mo sila.
Alam mo ba? Donut ko! Betsa di peligro eh.
Hindi po kasi
Oy, boys, ba ito ng donut si Marian, ha?
may ano po kasi yan
Give me
sila.
donut.
Parang hindi ko po alam kung may group ba yan sila. Para every may photoshoot po ako or taping po.
Andun, cute
sila.
naman. Super supportive.
So do you have like a fans club or something?
Meron bang tawag? Wala pa. Nakala mo na
May
isipan yan.
ano po,
The
may-
Saints!
Yeah.
May tawag na to, may nag-message po sa akin kung pwede po ba daw ako gawan po ng ganyan. Tapos, hindi po ako sanay po talaga sa mga ganyan.
Ay, masanay ka na, girl.
Pati
You
po yung
should.
sa mga attention po na binibigay po sa akin, naniniwago pa po ako. Kaya po parang, yun po, nagbabasa po ako ng books.
How to
On
deal
how
with
to deal
it.
with it. Okay. It's a nice way to... Not a lot of people will approach it that
That's
way.
true.
So good on you.
Good job.
And congratulations.
Yeah, so
congrats,
exciting.
congrats.
Your first movie.
Pero what's your dream role?
Ako po, hindi ko po alam eh.
Wala?
Action, drama,
Comedy.
Rom-com.
Opo,
solid choice.
Kasi kasi sobrang impulsive ko lang po talaga that time po na parang, parang pumasok lang po
Oh.
ako bigla sa sige, push na.
Games,
Parang ganun po.
pupok.
Ano yung mga favorite movies mo? Like, it doesn't have to be local. Can
Yun
be...
po, gusto ko question eh.
Ah.
Action suspense, mga,
Okay.
siguro mga The Rock, ganun. Will Smith,
Okay.
Mga bad
Arnold
boys,
Schwarzenegger,
gano'n.
opo, yun.
Action film. Pero ikaw mismo, ayaw mo ng action, na maging part ka ng action film?
Kung bibigyan po ako,
Okay
why not
naman.
po? Opo.
Pero mas prefer mo lang mag-romcom talaga.
Opo, kasi feel ko po mas ano ko po kasi yun.
Mas gamay mo.
Opo, mas personality ko po ata yung ano.
Yes.
Nice. Hey, congratulations
Congrats.
to you. And why don't you invite our listeners once again to catch Top 1?
Top 1.
Hi guys, this is Marian Saint. Manood po kayo ng Top 1 now streaming only on Viva Max, and showing na po siya sa July 2 po. Tapos sa mga thank you po sa mga nag-advance screening po. Nag-start po siya kahapon po.
Oh, nice.
June 25 po. Thank you so much po. Sana manood po kayo.
There you go.
There you go. Thank you,
Top 1
Marian.
available July 2, but if you want to do it advance, you
Yeah.
can. I'm
Go
sure
for it.
Tony has already seen it.
Ay, for sure.
He's seen it
Tony
maybe
pa ba?
like 5 times
Oh.
already.
That's Alex, by the way.
Oh, okay. Let's pick up on Alex.
Oh, yan. Baka may
Hello.
Oh, Alex!
Oh.
Hindi, I'm just finished na gumagawa kasi ako ng rocket dito sa rocket ship dito sa likod ng bunker.
Alex,
Smart, Alex.
may papakilala ko kami sa'yo.
Astrophysicist.
Marian,
Oh.
this is Alex Calleja.
Hindi niyo po ako.
Kayo.
Mario?
Ikaw pa ba?
Ako pa.
astrophysicist Alex Calleja.
Mabilis si
Sa
Sir.
Starbucks siya na-discover
Ano yan?
sa Starbucks.
Honorary member ng NASA.
Ay,
Bago
part of
mapunta sa inyo,
SpaceX.
dumadaan muna sa akin yan. Pumunta sa akin. Saka pumapasok sa magic.
Oh my God ka.
Iba si Alex.
Kaya ako tumawag. Mabilis lang to. Gusto ko lang ma-share yung telepono, yung landline.
Oh.
Oh.
Mabilis to. Ang ganda ng kwento na to.
Oh, go.
May kaibigan
Nakikinig
ako.
kami.
Ang telepono niya, 866-195. 6 digits pa noon, noong 1980s.
Oh.
Tapos, yung number ko, 884484. Tawag numbers na, kaya ang daling masaulo. Pag nagbabar pa kami, dito kami, pag nagsabi ko ng ng number, natatandaan, yung sa kanya, hindi matandaan, 866195. So, ang ginawa nung kaibigan ko, dahil luging-luging siya, nagpagawa kami ng calling card sa recto. Yung glow in the dark, 866195, 884484. Yung nakalaminate for special people. Yung mga hindi nakalaminate, yung mga alam namin na napilitan na kami bigyan.
Yung mga medyo lata.
Ito ang part ko ng kwento. Meron ako sa calling card ko dun sa wallet ko. Keep sa Santa Ana. Paghugot ko, tumapon yung calling card ko. Ngayon, mula nung guide yung nanay ko, dahil marami yung nagko-call, yung humihinga sa... Yung yung parang prank caller. Hanggang sa may tumawag sa akin, ang pangalan niya, si Ana Sobel.
Oh.
Sabi ko, Ana Sobel, ba't mo nakuha tong phone ko? Nakita ko yung calling card mo doon sa daan sa may Santa Ana. Tapos sabi niya, gusto pa kitang makilala. Sabi ko, paano ko malaman yung tsura mo?
No.
Alam niyo ba yung Abante dati? Yung Abante? Na may center pole yun ang tawag, Bukaka Queen of the Day.
No way, you're lying. Yun talaga yung tawag.
This was the 80s. So, yeah.
Kasabay nilang Serex Sabera. Yan ang pinaparod namin sa Abante. Binuksan ko yun dahil meron kaming naglalako sa amin noon. Nakita ko nga Ana Sobel. Pinapunta ko siya sa bahay.
Damn.
Kasi pinang-taxi ko lang, mga 88 yung taxi, mura nun eh. Pagpunta, naka-Icon Melendez na forma, mataas yung palong, tapos naka-close neck na kulay puting polo. Yun. Tapos ando doon yung nanay ko sa sala, may mga borders kami. Sabi sa nanay ko, tita, may dumadalaw lang po ako para makilala ko po si Alex.
Ayun.
Inakit namin sa taas, may borders kami. Mamaya, Gilbis, lemon. Mamaya sabi, pwede ba magbihis kasi nainitan na ako ng damit eh. 1988 po, nagbihis sa harapan namin. Cancer pala dun sa Santa Ana.
Ayop.
Sa MNB Beer House. Habang nagsasayaw sa amin, nakasilip pala yung nanay ko. Ngayon, pagbaba, magpapaalam na back to normal yung suot. Binato ng nanay ko ng unan, hinabol hanggang sa labas.
Oh my God, si Ana Zobel!
Ana Sobel, man. Ana Sobel.
The best!
Yung mga kwento nito ni Alex.
Ganun ang pangalan sa mga sa mga Bukaka Queen of the Day sa mga dancers. May laging may kailangan Ayala, ay mga ganun, di ba? Yung Sheila, Ayala, parang ganun. Oo, totoo. Tapos,
Ang gandang honor,
Antoinette,
Bukaka Queen of the Day.
Raton,
December
mga
89.
Razon. Yung mga pinakamayaman sa Pilipinas, yun yung mga ginagamit na ng apelido.
Oo,
parang
totoo yun. Oo,
Gamboa.
parang yun.
Bueno.
Cherry Gokongwei. Our Lady Market number 1, Cherry Gokongwei. Mga ganun. Kaya gusto ko ikwento na narinig ko kasing landline.
Solid,
Matindi ang
solid.
landline,
Magaling,
pare.
magaling.
Thanks, Alex.
May mga kwento ka pa ba sa amin?
Ang dami na, wala na. Okay na ako doon. Nahabol ko lang. Alam ko tayo, overtime na tayo eh.
Good na. Good job, good job.
You're the best,
Anyway.
Tito Alex. Miss ka na namin.
May
I'm
tour
sure-
ka ba?
Hindi,
ako tumawag
hindi siya
para
tumawag
mag-promote.
para mag-promote.
Hindi,
Ever.
Ako mismo yung nagtatanong. Kasi ito yung problema kay Alex, no? Ayaw niya mag-promote eh.
Oo, ayaw
Kailangan
talaga.
natin tanungin.
Kailangan
Pero
natin
din ako
i-push.
sa Tito Sis kay Tina Ryan dyan sa may
Madness.
Friday Madness.
Oh.
Oh, nawala ka. Shit. Ulitin mo.
Ulitin mo.
Tito Six sa mga Friday Madness.
Okay.
Tina Ryan.
Nice. Watch out for that this Friday.
Thanks, Alex.
Thanks, Alex.
Miss you,
Take care.
Tito
Bye-bye.
Alex.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Am I
Okay,
reading
Sir
that right?
Riot.
Is that Nico Ramos on playback?
Ano yan? Ha ha ha. Alex from the top rope lang bigla.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Ah, what's
Hello.
Alex?
What's up? Someone said that.
Always a quality call.
Yes, he said. Someone said that he has a story about you.
Me?
Oh.
About Gino?
Who is this?
Kanina I saw it.
What story?
Where is it?
Let's hear it. Call us. Yung mga nakasuntukan ni Gino dyan,
Someone said
share nyo.
talo yung kwento ni Nico Ramos kay Gino.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Ano yan? Which
Ah,
one?
baka yung sa basket?
Talo yung kwento? Or tama yung kwento?
Or
Talo. I don't know.
tinalo yung kwento nyo? I don't know.
I don't know.
Baka,
But yeah,
who knows?
Nico was part of that team where I got ejected.
The fastest double technical
Double
in history.
technical in history.
86108 na. One last.
Wait.
Hindi na. Ay, we need to take a break.
Wait.
Actually, bye na.
Ano na talaga?
Sige
I'm
na,
so
fine.
confused.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay, wait lang.
Wait.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Surprise!
What's up?
We're still here.
Look at that.
Uy! Shout out kay Jacob.
Jacob, if you're here, let us know.
Tsaka ba? Yung necklace mo.
All right.
Okay.
Right.
Whew. I think we're done.
Yeah, we're done. That's it. Unless anyone wants to call 863-10899 suntukan.
Suntukan stories lang.
Suntukan.
Sakto suntukan lang.
Tamang suntukan lang. But if not, we'll catch you again tomorrow. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we have
Tired.
Cindy Miranda.
And
She'll be dropping by because she has a brand new movie. And it's called... Yeah, I don't know. I lost the movie. I lost where it is.
Well, that's why we're having her here tomorrow.
Yes, so we can know more
Yeah.
about it. We also have the people behind I Love You, You're Perfect, Now Change, Repertory Philippines.
Oh, okay.
So we have Gian
I love
Magdangal.
you. You're perfect. Now change.
Yes, I Love You, You're Perfect, Now Change. Gian Magdangal, Crystal
Parang
Kane,
narinig ko na yun
Marvin
dati.
Ong. So the cast of I Love You, You're Perfect, Now Change. They'll be here tomorrow.
It really makes more sense when it's in English, no? Kasi kung tinagalog mo yan,
Oh,
mahal kita, perfecto ka, ngayon magbihis ka na.
Hindi man lang magbago.
Magbihis.
Tanga mo, Gino. Kaya ka naupakan eh.
Magbihis ka.
Pero you know what? Thankfully, never akong na malalang upak. Like-
So what was the worst? Black eye? No.
No, not even. Like, okay, so in all boys schools before, there would be unspoken rules na kung pwede wag sa mukha para hindi nakikita, ganyan.
Tapos hindi halata.
Hindi halata.
Hindi kayo mapapagalitan ng
Pero I think the
DO.
biggest one I had was I had the giant pasa on my arm, my right arm. Na, as in, alam mo yung from shoulder to elbow.
Damn.
Oh.
Sino kasi Sunny Boy? Naging corned beef yung braso mo.
Corned beef braso
Oo. Tsaka hindi naman ako tanga kasi. Hindi ako makikipag-away sa alam ko hindi ko kaya talunin.
Tama.
Ganyan. Kasi kung tipong hindi ko kaya talunin, oh bro, ikaw na. Tama ka. Oh.
Galing mo.
I will swallow my pride.
Yun na. But thank you for joining us
Thanks,
today.
guys.
Catch you again tomorrow. So, more Boys Night Out. My name is Slick Rick.
My name is Gino Killiamore.
And my name is Tin. Like Slick said, we shall see you again tomorrow for more of BNO. Keep it here on The Magic. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.